Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing politics in Thailand for foreigners. What are we talking about here? Well, specifically, there's sort of a certain subset of foreign nationals. I'm not beyond this. I occasionally comment on politics as well. But sometimes folks, foreign nationals can get actively involved in political movements, if you will, or sort of political discourse here in Thailand. And I think sometimes people fail to understand that that can be a bit precarious if you're a foreign national, especially depending on your visa status. This whole topic came to my attention from a recent article in the Bangkok Post print edition from April 17th, 2021. Article is titled, "Officials Eye U.S. Scholars Permit Case." Quoting directly, immigration authorities are examining a work permit application submitted by David Streckfuss, an American academic working in the Northeast for over 27 years after he lost his job at Khon Kaen University and overstayed his visa. Quoting further, the university reportedly claimed local police had pressured it to refrain from hiring Mr. Streckfuss due to his involvement in a political movement, an allegation police denied. Now, not getting into the back and forth of that, and not casting aspersions at anyone, not even really trying to get deeply involved in anything having to do with any political issues, underlying what's going on here. That's not the purpose of this video. I certainly wish everyone associated with this well, including the gentleman involved in trying to get his visa sorted out. I definitely hope I wish him luck in getting that sorted out. I hope everything works out well for him. The reason, though, for this video is, foreign nationals in Thailand, especially those in non-immigrant status, are exactly that. They're non-immigrants. They have no rights to residence. They have no right of abode. They're not landed immigrants. They're also not citizens, so they don't have any right to stay in Thailand. Now, they may be accorded certain protections under the Constitution or under notions of human rights with respect to being able to express opinions they wish to, so long as it complies with Thai law. But, understand there are practical implications which can be associated with positions taken by individuals. And where such individuals do not have, again, resident status, which permits them, to be resident in Thailand, this can be a real problem. And it's something of note to any foreign national that's here. If you're in non-immigrant status, that status, revocation may be subject to appeal. You may be able to undertake a process whereby you appeal the revocation of status. But if the government simply opts, if immigration simply opts for a variety of reasons, they can cite under the Immigration Act of '79 to simply not renew the visa, there is very little that can be done with respect to that. It's kind of akin to what's called Section 214B of the Immigration Nationality Act in the United States, wherein consular officers making factual determinations regarding visa issuance, they're not really subject to any review, and their fact-finding is largely, it's unappealable, for lack of a better term. So, again, the reason for this video is just to kind of, to act as a kind of reminder to folks that, if you're in non-immigrant status in Thailand, it's not residence, and you're not locked in. You don't have any rights with respect to abode here in the kingdom. And for this reason, should your visa come into jeopardy, that could end up being the reason why an individual may be precluded from remaining in the kingdom on a long-term basis.